Hello all. Just to recap, Paddy used to be um, a very friendly bird, towards me at least. Um, Quite easy to handle and not at all scared to come near me. Ever since my last bird died, he's now on his own, he has been very reluctant to come onto my hand, which I don't blame him for. Because after my last bird died, he started suffering seizures, stress induced, probably because he just suddenly found himself on his own. And I had to use my hand to restrain him. Now, I have been trying for quite a while now to try and get him back on my hand from his cage. It just wasn't happening. It just really was not happening. In fact, what he would do was fly to the floor and then come onto my hand, because for some reason, I think, in his birdie logic, coming to my hand from the floor was a good thing, but coming to my hand from his cage was a bad thing, because I have had to use my hand to restrain him during the seizures. So I've been trying to work out how to get around this, and I totally missed the obvious. Because I live in a warm climate and very rarely wear long sleeves or anything like this. Here you go, let's have a look. Come on, baby. Here you go. Yes, you're a good boy. It's difficult to video without having both hands. Here you go. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. Yes, good boy, buddy. Yes, good boy. Good boy, buddy. Good boy. There you go. Good boy, buddy. Come on. You did it this morning. Come on. Come on. You did it this morning. You did it this morning, sweetie. You did it this morning. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. By using a glove, talk about the obvious. If he was scared of my hand, he's not scared of me, he's just scared of my hand. By using a glove. Okay, baby. I know this is all new to you. This is all new to you. This is all new to you. I managed to get him to come onto my hand. I was holding the millet with my other hand, the one I'm holding the phone with, when I was doing this morning. So trying to do this one-handed is not exactly easy. Yes, you're okay, darling. Yes. But he's using my hand. Good boy. There you go. Introducing the phone with the glove. I'm not quite sure if this will work. Let me try. I need this hand free. Here you go. Here you go. There you go. Good boy, Paddy. Good boy. Bird on my hand. There you go. Yes, I know this is not ideal. And if you're dealing with a young bird, it's not really what you should be doing. But if your bird already experiences seizures and you're going to have to keep using your hand to restrain them, then this problem with the hand is likely to persist. Shall we come over here, baby? Shall we come over here? Shall we come over here? Shall we come over here? There you go. Come on. Yes. Like I said, not ideal, but given that he's such an old bird, and the seizure situation, I think this is great. Like I said, talk about missing the obvious. If it's your hand that was scaring them, cover it. Come on. Whoops. Who's dropped it? Just a moment, guys. I've got to pick up the millet. There you go. That's Paddy on my hand, moved away from the safety of his cage, which is I think absolutely fantastic. I mean, for an old bird, I mean, for the sake of putting on a glove to get him to come out and come to me. For now, this is good. Say if it was a younger bird, it's not ideal. But it will still get your bird used to coming to you, regaining confidence. And all this because of a glove. Can't believe I didn't think of this sooner. Okay, now we're going to take this away. Yes, you've had plenty of millet now, Paddy, and you've done what you're supposed to do. So you've had your treats. In a moment, hopefully, we will see him using that plank. which he is now being, well, he used it yesterday anyway. So he now seems confident about using the plank to get back into his cage. So he was happier about coming onto this platform, which is just a box on top of the old armchair. But yay! I got him out of his cage. I mean, I got him to come to me from his cage without flying to the floor first. I am so happy, and all because of a glove. You're going to go back to your cage now, Paddy? You probably won't until you decided that there's no more millet bits left. What if I put the millet back on your cage? Would you use the ramp to come back? Let's see. Let's have a look. Here, Paddy. Look, millet. Millet. Here. Let's put it back in your cage. It's back in your cage. Are you going to show people you can use the ramp now? There's your millet. There's millet. Oh, you're thinking about it, aren't you? Yes, you know you can do it, Paddy. You're a little more comfortable with the phone now, aren't you, baby? Yes. I guess that is supposed to be a thoughtful look. But you know, much as I adore my baby, he has never been the brightest of buttons. So by the time he realizes and thinks about it and whatever, I don't know how long we might be waiting here. Come on, darling. Come on. You want the millet, don't you? There's the millet. There's the millet. There's the millet. Yeah. For all I know, he might be thinking, well, put that glove back there and take me back. Which I could. But the idea is to get him to come out on his own and explore again. Because since the seizures started, he is scared of exploring. He's not flying, and I want him to do things. If that is a thoughtful look, Paddy, it's a very long thought. Come on, sweetheart. You know how to get back now. You did it yesterday. Oh, we've got the bird song in the background, so that's the alarms. That's one of the alarms. Or maybe you've just had too much to eat and you're thinking, I'm just going to relax for a little while here and I'm not going to do anything more. Which seems very likely considering your eyes are all closing and you're just relaxing now, aren't you, Paddy? Because you've been a very good boy. Yes, you've been a good boy. Clever boy. Yes, clever boy. If he had not eaten so much millet, there's a good chance you might have been able to see him go up that plank and go and get it again. But he has had a fair bit whilst I've been videoing and talking. Okay, darling. Shall we just let you relax and sleep for a bit? At least you're not stressing over the camera. You're falling asleep in front of it. Yes, no, baby. Yes, my baby. Okay, guys, this is just a video, like, showing the obvious that you can miss. So, sometimes there's this quite a number of things you've got to think around, especially when you're dealing with an animal who has issues. But that doesn't mean that you cannot achieve what you want to do and give them the fun, entertainment, and motivation in the meantime to keep going, especially at his age. I mean, I'm not exactly sure of his age, but I'm guessing I got him when he was around 2 years old. So that would make him about 29 years old now. So this is a very, very, very elderly individual. Yes, Paddy. In human terms, you would have the bus pass and not have to bother with a flying lark. Yes. Okay, guys, just wanted to show the glove and how it worked. He's now starting to get a little bit stressed. The head shakes are starting. So I'm going to back off. Take care, everyone.